Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make orange lentil soup. First, let's gather our ingredients. You will need 1 cup of vibrant orange lentils, 4 cups of rich vegetable broth, 1 medium onion, 2 crisp carrots, and 2 stalks of celery, all finely diced. Don't forget 2 cloves of minced garlic, 1 14.5-ounce can of diced tomatoes, and a half teaspoon of ground cumin for that warm, earthy flavor. This simple list sets us up for a delicious meal. Now let's begin cooking. Heat 2 tablespoons of good quality olive oil in a large, heavy-bottomed pot over medium heat. Add your finely diced onion, carrots, and celery to the pot. Sauté these aromatic vegetables for about 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally until they begin to soften and become fragrant. Then, stir in your 2 cloves of minced garlic and cook for just 1 more minute, being careful not to burn it. This creates a wonderful flavor base. Next, it's time to bring everything together. Add your 1 cup of thoroughly rinsed orange lentils to the pot with the sautéed vegetables. Pour in the 4 cups of vegetable broth and the entire 14.5-ounce can of diced tomatoes. Stir in 1 teaspoon of ground cumin and a half teaspoon of turmeric for a beautiful color and added depth of flavor. Bring the mixture to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat to low, cover, and let it simmer for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes of simmering, your orange lentil soup should be perfectly cooked. The lentils will be tender and the soup will have thickened nicely. Now it's time to season. Add salt and freshly ground black pepper to your taste preferences. For a bright, fresh finish, stir in 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. Ladle your warm, comforting soup into bowls and garnish with a sprinkle of fresh cilantro or parsley. Enjoy this easy and nutritious meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.